We're having a very strong campaign about promoting Panama as a location for film. This is our second time in Cannes, and so far it's been great. Many people are considering Panama as an option, and our campaign is about now our campaign is about you can simulate the major cities of the world. You can find them in Panama. We want people to know that Panama is not only a place about the jungle or beaches. We also have a very interesting skyline. The city has developed so well, and we feel that people can use Panama for film for this purpose.
And do you have the facilities as well to for filmmakers to use local talent, for instance, local filmmakers, and utilise the local knowledge too?
Yes, well, Panama is a mixed culture country because we are right in the middle between North and South America. We have people from all over the place, so, and a mixture of religions. So, for example, for the movie Quantum of Solace, they simulated a South American country, and they were able to find local people that resembled the people from the South.
And are you hoping as well to encourage more filmmaking within Panama too, for local filmmakers?
Yes, as a matter of fact, our campaign has been working pretty well. So far we have done 6 feature films with this new campaign that we're doing.
And have you got any kind of other incentives? The one thing, obviously, this is the film industry and its business, so are there financial incentives for people to come?
Right. We have a new law. It's brand new, actually, from September last year, and some production companies are taking advantage of it, which is a 15% cash rebate.
Mm-hmm. And do you have any other announcements that you'd like to share with us for while you've been here in Cannes, or anything coming up?
Well, we encourage people to take a look at our locations. We have just finished our location catalog, which will be online, and it has over 2,000 pictures of different locations, countryside, the city. We have plenty of locations to offer.